Hi there and welcome to the ukestuff channel and welcome to this tutorial for the play-along videos of Tingalayo as recorded by Raffi. Now what we'll do in this video, first of all, is we'll look at the chords you need for GCEA ukulele, both in the key of C and the key of Ds. Then we'll look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele. And after we talk about the chords you need, then we'll talk about some strumming that you can do with the song. If you want to jump to certain spots on the video, you can do so on the scroll bar below. You should see the chapters appear there. They also will appear in the description with a lot of other information. And along with that information, you'll find a link to ukestuff.info where the lyrics and chords, what we would normally call a chord chart or some people call tabs, are available. And ukestuff is a collaborator with this site. All right, let's begin with the chords for GCEA ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. It's the Flight TUSL-Kids. It's a special ukulele. It's a special travel ukulele made by Flight. It's the normal long neck soprano ukulele, soprano body, concert neck, along with Aquila Kids colored strings, which match the chord charts on the version in C. All right, so let's play the three chords you need for the song. The first chord is the C chord, then the F chord, and then the G7 chord. And those are the chords you need for GCEA ukulele in the key of C. Now let's take a look at the chords you need for Tingalayo in the key of D on GCEA ukulele. The first chord you need is the D chord. There are a number of ways to play the D chord. It's whatever works best for you. I usually play D chord kind of like the G7. I put my first finger at the top of the third string, second fret, and then my second finger goes to the fourth string, second fret, just at the bottom, along with the third finger going to the second string, second fret at the bottom, making sort of an upside down V. However, you can also play D a number of other ways. You can put fingers 1, 2, and 3 in a row. You can try to play it with two fingers, covering strings 4 and 3 with one finger and string 2 with the second finger. You can even learn how to bend your finger, usually the ring finger, and cover strings 4, 3, and 2 while leaving the first string open. Whatever works best for you to make the D chord. Then we have the G chord, and then we have the A7 chord. And those are the chords that you need to play Tingalayo in D on GCEA ukulele. Now let's take a look at the chords you need to play Tingalayo on baritone DGBE ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. It is the Flight NUB 310 baritone ukulele. It's part of their natural series. Just as a note, as of early 2021, these instruments still ship with GCA tuning. So if you want DGBE tuning like this one, you'll have to buy other strings and put them on. I'm running living water strings on this instrument right now. All right, the first chord you'll need is the D chord, then the G chord, and then the A7 chord. For the A7 chord, what you'll want to do is make a bar chord. So you'll want to take your first finger and cover all 4 strings right above the second metal fret. And you'll want to pull against the fretboard as if you're going to launch something from it. That should give you a nice clear sound on all the strings. Then use your thumb just to support that. So as you pull against the fretboard, just use the thumb to give you just a little bit of back pressure. That'll give you a lot of nice control. And then you're going to, with your second finger, play the first string, third fret. And that's your A7 chord on baritone ukulele. And those are the chords you need to play Tingalayo in the key of D on baritone DGBE ukulele. All right, now let's talk about strumming on this song. Now, for this song, it's going to use sort of a reggae beat with strong emphasis on beats 2 and 4. You really don't want to be playing this song sort of with a strong 1 and 3. You don't want to be doing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't want that at all. So what you're going to want to do is rest strum, rest strum, rest strum, rest strum. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and off. Now, if you want to level it up, what you can do is you can actually stop the sound with your right hand. Sometimes you can do that with your left hand, and you could try to do that like with your pinky to stop in the same spots. So whenever you're not playing, you're going to stop the sound, but generally it's going to be easier with your right hand this time. So we do something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Up to this point, we've been doing this song in the key of C. Let's shift it up to the key of D, and for the first time, we won't stop the strings. Here it comes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Now, let's put the slap in on beats 1 and 3 after we play the chords. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. 2, 3, 4, and stop. All right. Quite honestly, if you can stand beats 2 and 4, whether or not you stop the sound, that will work with this song. You don't want to be playing on beats 1 and 3 if you can help it. All right. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.